Hi everyone, today I want to share my Notion life operating system that I use. The driving question for building a life operating system is, how can you live the life that you really want? This approach has been really personal to me, and I've been using this method on an Excel spreadsheet for a while now, and I've been refining it as I learnt new lessons. I configured this inside of Notion now, and I am ready to share it with all of you. Our mind defines challenges in 3 layers: survival, improvements, and aspirations. Survival is the base of the pyramid, and if you are in this stage of mind, no matter how you try and distract yourself, your brain and body are in a flight and fright mode. The secret to moving out of this survival mode lies in your actions driven by your beliefs. Beliefs are driven by aspirations and improvements to your current situation, and to start walking instead of waiting. My life operating system provides the foundation to move up the hierarchy to supercharge your life. If there was one book that I would recommend to read that explains the mind and survival the best, I would say it's Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. Between stimulus and response, there is space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom. Viktor Frankl. Viktor escaped as a prisoner at the Nazi concentration camp and became a successful psychologist in Vienna, and wrote this book, which went on to sell over 10 million copies in 24 languages. Let's look closer at my life operating system's aspirations and improvements layer. We did a lot of the heavy lifting on the improvement layer when I designed the ultimate GTD system in Notion. We have now further enhanced this to work in tandem with the aspirations layer. As you start to use the life operating system, you will gain the benefits of using Notion as a second brain. Capturing aspirations increases the shelf life of aspirations substantially. By reflecting on aspirations, it lets you look closer at life's goals and at its objectives. By breaking it down into a database table, it provides clarity. My aspiration table is relatively small, but it's really powerful. Life is built on foundations. Your satisfaction is driven by the success at business or at work. Your well-being, family, home, knowledge and skills, and maintaining healthy relationships. I call all of these areas of my life as life dimensions. You just need to capture the life dimensions in the aspirations database. The value drivers, actions, projects, and the entire GTD system are automated to reflect this. As soon as I capture aspirations, I recognize that I will chase these items only if I am willing to chase this as a dream. And it has a deep impact on my future self. To give aspirations some definition of time, I have a timeline column and a start date. You can add worth to aspirations by asking yourself a question. How can I get closer to my aspiration? What do I need to do? At the highest level, I refer to the answers to these questions as value drivers, a capability that will allow me to get closer to my aspiration. For example, one of my life's aspirations is to build a robust, profitable business. And the value drivers are a great customer base, great products and services, building key customer relationships, and creating an efficient business in terms of revenues or costs. With Notion, I get to capture the value drivers in a database table. I can link up the value driver to the aspiration with a relation, and it will automatically populate the LOS dimension based on the capture at the aspiration stage. To link it, I click on the life's aspiration column, and if it's linked, it will show a red cross, and for a new record, it will show a green plus sign. You can create multiple linkages between aspirations and value drivers, or for that matter, between any new relationships that you create. What's interesting is that in the relation columns, like value drivers, etc., you can access additional nodes captured in the other table against the driver by clicking on it like this. Since you have many value drivers and your focus will change depending on the stage of your life or your business, you can assign priorities and progress statuses. I have set 5 priorities from highest to low And there's a special one called Eliminate. I've often found that my success is built around actions which I do and habits I must eliminate in order to be successful. In order for your Ikigai to be effective, you will need to have sufficient value drivers across your life's dimensions in order to harmonize your life. If you want to read a little more into the subject, you may consider reading 6 Thinking Habits by Edward de Bono. I have set filters for each of the LOS dimensions so that you can quickly look at a specific dimension from business to relationships like this. So now you have the identified capabilities. The next question that you need to ask yourself is, what actions and outcomes do I need to take or drive to create value? This is where the rubber starts to hit the road. Let's say you've captured a value driver as gaining customers. One of the actions you need to take is to say, launch new products. And one way to develop products is to look at both products as well as services. You will see that the value drivers column is appropriately reflected, and you can also view the projects. You can also view the filtered view by life operating system dimensions by going into the views. So that brings us to our next question. What projects must I execute to push these actions forward? Now, creating new products is an action or an outcome, but quickly you start by asking yourself a question. What products do I need to create? This question and others form the basis of creating LOS projects. To manage this easier, it would be advisable to create projects where you can drive actions and outcomes. Here, you also start to add the progress and the priority. As usual, this has links back to your actions database. The final set of questions you now ask are, what tasks, habits, and sub-projects do I need to execute? This is captured in the LOS planner, which is directly embedded into the ultimate GTD system. Here again, you will notice that the views provide you with a quick filter to see only the dimensions you want to see at any given point of time. The LOS planner is nothing but the ultimate GTD system. So if you already have it, then this entire system will automatically dovetail into your existing system. If not, the whole system is now being provided to you in an integrated manner. Included here are the ability to define project names, tasks, priorities using the Eisenhower matrix, responsibilities if you divide the tasks amongst your family or your team, context, a goal status, a way to manage your habits, birthdays and anniversaries or special days in your calendar, the ability to define recurring tasks from daily to annual with some special features like day of the week. I just can't do enough justice to give you all the features of the ultimate GTD system in this video. To know more, I would advise you to look at these 2 videos that are flashing on the screen above. The links for these videos are also given in the description below. So the LOS planner links back to projects. I've also made some enhancements to the ultimate GTD system, like the creation of a new inbox. And I've included a status column as well, besides rolling down the life's dimensions to create a filter. In addition, you can of course take advantage of the calendar view for all of this now. Details to buy or to upgrade and a free coaching call are on my website, the links for which are in the description below. If you're not yet part of this community, do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified of new videos. If you liked this video, consider sharing it with your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, peace.